What's good, YouTube? This your boy Romeo Trading back again, part 6, another video. I'm starting real early this morning. I kind of just wanted to get some footage in, so I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to TOS. Got a lot of stuff going on this morning. I get up and I get started early. Just wanted to kind of give you guys some live in the moment footage. Not much going on right now. I realize I said a lot in my last video, so I'm gonna try to keep from doing it so much in this one. Yeah, did it again. So basically, yeah, just wanted to get some live footage here. Did it again. GEVO looking good this morning. Did it again. Gonna be trailing up my stop this morning to see if we can just maintain the profits. We're up 463 on it. Currently up 140 today. Probably gonna be exiting RIGL and GNPX today. So looking just to get that, you know, maybe 200 out of each one of those. Hopefully we get triggered in. I got orders already in to get out. Hopefully I get tagged in at the 370 area on RIGL. Nice wide range bar here on the daily, which is beautiful, you know, but people be wanting to keep running up, which it can. You know, just gonna take my profits and I'll catch it. Like I say, I'm already 2 to 1 on this. So like I said, I only had $100 risk on this. So I actually should have got out yesterday. I guess I didn't have my stop up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of that one. If I get triggered in, I might just do a market order and get out when the market opens, or I may just wait to see if I get my 370. So yep, so that's that one. So that'll be a you know, roughly a $200 winner. And then GNPX, 5 cents away from target, would have been 375 for a 2 to 1 target. So like I say, ran up three hours straight yesterday. Could make another move today. You know, I just don't want to chance it. You know, we talked about resting days, and we got a good bit of volume here. So, you know, just a small rest would be good. So we might go a little sideways today. Moving averages need to catch up. So be mindful of that. You know, anybody, you know, thinking that it's just gonna shoot back up again, yeah, without PR is just unlikely. So definitely look to get back, you know, wherever this moving average is as it moves up on the 60-minute. Same with RIGL. Now RIGL is consolidating a good little bit. It ran up early and kind of rested for the rest of the day. So, you know, this one has more of a chance to go higher once the market opens, because it's actually resting. It kind of ran up early and then rested for the rest of the day. So this one has a better opportunity of making maybe a slight move up. But, you know, again, you know, 10 million shares, nice push up out of this little consolidation here. It may just need to rest for a little bit. And this stock is you know, it pretty much has been doing a strong uptrend. You know, push up, kind of rest, consolidate over, push up again, consolidate, push up again, consolidate. So, you know, this one kind of is going to give us another entry. So I'm not worried about missing any opportunities. You know, if some PR wanted to hit, it would have went on ahead and hit, and then, you know, we would have been gapped up, whatever. So like I say, no, it's no worries. You know, we're gonna always find a pattern. I think GEVO just crept over. Yep, GEVO is moving. Got a little moving on GEVO. We're currently up $500 on that one. So yeah, I may be looking to take profits as we get into after 9 o'clock. Unless we just get a strong push up. We'll see. We'll check back on that one in a minute. Bam. TGB. I also have 1,000 shares of this. I never did add those extra 500 shares. I'm really supposed to be up like $100 right now, you know, but it's all good. We're not gonna force it to run, you know, another $1 just so we can hit our goal. You know, we just take the profits that we got. You know, it's no biggie. So I got an order here at 140, so I'll be trailing up my stop today. See if we can go ahead and get that 140 out of it. VKTX. I got an order. It looked like well, not much volume here, only 2,000 shares volume. So I got an order to get back out, depending on how it does. Because I don't like it breaking this 50 period moving average. So we'll definitely keep a check back on that one. Still not in AMRN, ARCO, ASMB, LQDA. The LQDA done dropped a little bit pre-market. So like I said, it just looks weak. Got a lot of shares at 285. So yeah, it's just looking weak right now. We'll have to see. So like I said, all that work it did yesterday was maybe a setup. Like I said, because it looked like it's gapping under this green bar, which is not a good sign. You don't want it to gap up under a green bar. So definitely glad we got out of this. So maybe my intuition yesterday was right. So yeah, I just went ahead and got out. Like I said, it's already in the downtrend. It really wasn't a special idea. The weekly is still in the downtrend. So we definitely need to get over at least this green bar here and put in another pattern before we take another entry in this one. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this order here. You know, we just don't want that one. Like I said, it could make another move up. With all those shares sitting at 285 is unlikely. Level 2 is very important. ASMB. I had an order to get back in this one. I may cancel this one as well. Like I say, it's just not showing much strength. We done already dropped back up under the 50 period on the short term for the 60-minute. I may just cancel this one for now. And like I said, we can check back up on it if it hits the radar again. ARCO. Another one that kind of chopped around. It still has a little room to actually get bullish. But you know, just not. It's just not really, you know, really not moving the way we want it to. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this one to get back in it. So you know, currently no positions in that. Like I said, we're just gonna save space on this one. You know, can't make a dream come true. You got to work for it. Let's see here. AMRN was another one that really, like I said, we could show out these last few days. I got out of it yesterday. Just looking at the 60, this is probably why I got out. It broke that 50 period, which it still can retest this area. It just looks like it's gonna fail. It's gonna drop even lower. Like I say, just got out right before it hit our stop. It hit our stop. Now it looks like it's want to drop even more. So we're just gonna get out of AMRN. We're not even gonna worry about it right now, and we'll catch it on the next go round. It really didn't, you know, it kind of popped up, gave us a little bit, but it really didn't move how we wanted it to move. So we're just gonna cancel this one. What's going on? Hold on one second. I'm not sure what's going on. Got a little issue with my internet right now. Hold on one sec. Just resetting my Wi-Fi real quick. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Okay, back live on that. Okay. So yeah, going back, canceling AMRN. Just gonna get that out the way. GEVO made a nice little push up again over the 225. So yeah, we definitely, hopefully we get a nice little push up. Pivot high is gonna be the 225 area. So we basically gapping over that pivot. So that's a good sign. Gapping over that pivot. So definitely gonna keep an eye on that. We're gonna trail this stop up as we open up, protect those profits. There we go. So move that up, protect those profits. Like I said, we're looking for that move higher. I got my target at 2.4. That'll give us a 2-to-1 target based on our entry. With the idea being $20 by $2 by 1.8. So, you know, that's 20 cents. So a 2 to 1 would be 40 cents. So 40 cents plus $2 is 240. So that's our target for our 2 to 1. So definitely should, hopefully we get that nice little push up. And then, like I said, we could intraday this as well. So definitely gonna keep an eye on that one. HLX look like it kind of want to gap down, which is not a good sign. I moved my stop up right up under this red bar. So if it puts in another red bar with a new low, we're just gonna get on out of this one. Only down 50 bucks on this one right now. PIXY still not really moving. Had an idea yesterday about taking this if it got over the 250 area, which it still can. Big volume could push it over. Ooh, excuse me. But if we put in a new low, I'm gonna go ahead and get on out. So yeah, like I say, three red days down. We put in a new low, I may get out. Like I say, over here we put in 4 new lows, new low, new low, new low, and a new low here. Then we turn bullish. So I don't know how far it's gonna drop. You know, it could fail completely and just, you know, you just never know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get it off if it break a new low right now, because a new low is really gonna put it up under that 50. So if we put in a new low, I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of that one. OVID finally triggered yesterday. Looked real good on the 60 minute. Pretty much ran all day yesterday. Last 2 hours it kind of rested off. We're gonna see what it does. If we can get a push higher, maybe to get up over this $3 area. So we're gonna actually hold this one and see what it's gonna do, since it finally triggered after waiting for it all week. So yeah, it looks good. Got a lot of buying going on right now. We're gonna see how that goes, and I believe that is it. I just want to give you guys kind of a morning update on what's going on. I'll be checking back with you after the market close. You know, if you guys like this, you know, the early, you know, in the moment type commentary, you know, leave a comment, like, subscribe, let me know, and I'll continue to make more videos like this. I got my stock picture up there because you know, it's early and I don't, you know, ain't trying to look pretty right now. So, you know, I just wanting to go ahead and start recording and get you guys some content. So hopefully the voice is good enough for you, just to kind of talk you through what I'm seeing. But yeah, GEVO's looking good. Almost 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock normally is when the big volumes start to come in. Anybody that's been looking at it, they normally start getting in because you basically feel to set up how you're gonna open. And since we're already over that pivot, it is a very good sign. Very, very good sign being over this 225 area. So hopefully that holds into open. As far as we got, let me see if y'all can see this. Let me close this. So my top 10 watch list. Only thing we got gapping up on the watch list is VVOS. See what it's doing. So yeah, gapping over. So that's good. We see this 50 period moving in. This is a fresh stock. Very fresh stock. Oh yeah, so this stock might be doing some movement. See what the news is real quick. Politics, FDA approval, whatnot, what have you. As you see low here, 680, low here, 660. So yeah, we put in a new low. The monthly, let me see the high of the month is 840. We're over to 840. So as the market opened, this bar is gonna turn green, which is very good. It's very bullish. Pretty much this is gonna be all the way up here to 10. So that's gonna be a nice gap on the weekly. So yeah, so pretty much all this selling here is gonna be taken out. So yeah, that's gonna be definitely something looking into open. I'm gonna put in a high all the way up here at let me see 11.4. We're gonna see what it does about getting around this area. Intraday, we can drill down on this one. I've got 1 million shares there. So intraday, we can drill down real quick to see if we see a pattern, maybe a setup. Okay, so the 15-minute might be the go-to. Maybe we kind of drop. Hopefully we hold this 9 area. That's kind of what it gapped over, this 9 area. So 9 to 875 area. So keep an eye on that area. This video is gonna be posted late, so you guys actually seeing it and being able to use this information is kind of not gonna be you know, useful. But you know, hopefully you guys kind of can see what I'm looking at, what I'm doing early in the morning, just as far as my gappers go. This one right here, you can already see it's already extended. We're already 3 days up green on the day. So with high volume here, this is likely gonna fail. This is likely gonna fail. We could keep running, you know, it is possible. We're likely gonna fail. It's 901, mark my words, this is likely gonna fail. This is probably just the last attempt for buyers to take profit before this fails. Like I say, green bar, wide range green bar, huge doji up here. Look at the volume. So this is likely to end. So if you're in this, and hopefully you get out before you before you watch this video. But like I say, the weekly looks good, and we're gapping all the way up to, well, we're probably not gonna open. We're probably gonna open right up here at the top of this pivot. So it gapped up. We're probably gonna open right here at the top, and then we're kind of gonna fade. We'll see how far it drops, but it probably is not gonna go well. It could go up more. It really could. You know, I ain't gonna say it's not, but I wouldn't buy into it just because it's 3 days up. That's just my personal opinion. That's the only thing actually up $1. We got BTBT. It's up 57 cents. Still wouldn't touch that. Wouldn't touch that. The open is 6.3. So you need at least 6.3 to get back bullish on the week. That's all the way up here. So yeah, definitely not touching that. XSPA, a nice runner. That's up to $2. So we got rejection. We got resistance here at $2. So definitely watch that area. We may, like I say, it's good on the daily, but not on the week. On the weekly, we jumping right into that resistance right there. So like I said, it already got rejected. So be mindful of this $2 area. Hopefully we bounce off of this 180 area on the daily. So mark my words on that. So let's see here. CAN. Weekly looks good. I don't have the monthly up because this is kind of intraday ideas. The weekly looks good, it's green. Nice little doji here, that's solid. So we gapping over this red bar, return it. Yeah, we gapping over this red bar. The high was 411. So yeah, hopefully we bounce off 411, gapping over that pivot. That'll be nice. Maybe a push up that'll probably put us over this 20 period moving average. So that's a good, that would be a good buy in if you want to get in the 411 area. Probably put your stop down here at 380. So that'd be kind of a 30 cent. You know, if you want to take a intraday entry, or if you want to drill down for an even tighter entry, you could. But just looking at the daily, that 411 is a good area to buy. 411 to 4. Matter of fact, you could just make it 4. It probably hit 4. It probably shake out in this 4 area. Hopefully it don't drop too low. But 4 by 380. So that'd give you 20 cents. So 500 shares if you're risking $100. The next one up is only moved 7 cents. We're not gonna look into that. But yeah, just want to give you guys quick content for what I look for in the morning. And then hopefully you guys find this informative. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it by the time this information is actually useful, but you know, all of my subscribers will at least be able to get an idea of what I'm thinking, what I'm seeing early in the morning. So hopefully this helps you guys. I'll be posting this as soon as I can. I got to, you know, finish it rapid and you know, get it posted on YouTube. Got to upload it and whatnot. But again, thank you guys. I think we're over 15 subscribers. I think we're at 17 subscribers right now. So, you know, once again, I appreciate you guys for liking the content. I appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. I'm gonna keep putting out content daily. So, you know, hopefully you guys will continue to support. RIGL is failing right now. Oh, it's dropping. Ew. Hopefully we get a push up back and get out before it pulls back too much. But yeah, I'm about to wrap up this video. You guys have a great morning. Good luck. Protect your account at all times. You guys have a good one.